friends, today we're gonna draw our beautiful sun. It's gonna be all yellow and it's gonna shine, right, teacher Dan? Yeah, it's gonna shine and it's gonna be beautiful. Can you show how you wave your tail? Oh, just like this. Oh, you don't have a tail, don't you, teacher Dan? No, I don't. But maybe, who knows, maybe in future I can get a tail. Who knows, maybe I'm gonna be a monkey. A monkey? You cannot be a monkey, teacher Dan. Yeah, I'm just joking. I cannot be a monkey, but who knows, maybe I'm gonna have a tail one day. So guys, we're gonna need some markers. And we're gonna need also a piece of paper. And we're gonna need one black rocket marker. Yeah, and this marker came directly from the sun. Yeah, so we're gonna now draw a sun, and we have this beautiful cookie box, and you can use some bowl or also box as long as it has that circle shape. So we're gonna put this little box in the middle, and just like we did for planet Earth, we're gonna draw all around it. So let's start from here and go. And I'm gonna go. Oh, how to go now? Okay, like this. And one more time, we're gonna go. And let's see how it turned out. Beautiful circle. Okay, we're gonna put away this cookie box. And I can't wait to finish this drawing and go eat some cookies. So we're gonna go and draw our little sun, and we're gonna use mostly yellow marker and also maybe orange and maybe red as well, and that's pretty much all, I think. So we can start, guys. We can draw our little sun. Okay, we're gonna start by drawing its eyes. So we're gonna make eyes pretty big, just like this. So we need like egg shape oval. And let's make another one, but this can be smaller, so we can make him look really goofy and funny. Just like this. And inside we're gonna make a smaller circle and another small circle, and then we're gonna make a big circle around this one and color in black, just like this. Okay, now let's make another one. So we're gonna draw a small circle and another small circle, and then we're gonna draw a bigger one around it and color in just like this. There we go, we have two eyes. Maybe later we can color around using blue or some other color to make it even more interesting. Oh yeah, now we're gonna go down and make his mouth. Its mouth. Actually, it's a planet. So we're gonna go all around just like this. And up, 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 up. It's a star, sorry. It's not a planet. Right, Squeaky? Yeah, I didn't want to say anything, but yeah, it's a star. It shines. Okay, and then we're gonna add one little line here, and then we're gonna go down and a little bit up, just like that, and then we're gonna draw its tongue, just like this. Okay, and then we can finish by just adding one little line like this. Okay, and we're gonna also make some teeth for our little star sun. And let me see, maybe I'm gonna put this line a little bit thicker because it's too thin now. Okay, and we can add maybe one more line here. Cool. And then we're gonna add some eyebrows like this, or you can use maybe brown or some other color. And this one I'm gonna make it even higher to make it look more goofy and funny. Okay, now we can color in actually using black one. Just like that. And then we're gonna use red for its tongue. And maybe I'm gonna leave a bit white here. What do you think? Squeaky? Okay, it looks interesting like that. Thank you. Then we're gonna leave it like that. Okay, and now we're gonna draw all those little rays around. So we're gonna use maybe let's use orange. And we're gonna draw shapes just like this. And all those shapes around our little sun. And you can draw as many as you like. Just like that. Go around, around. More, and there we go. Now we're gonna go and color it. So we're gonna leave some, let me see, we're gonna leave some yellow parts just like this here on one side. So I'm gonna choose this one. No, you don't have to use yellow on each of these shapes, but I'm gonna use, let's say, here and here, and also here a little bit, just like that. And then we're gonna color it orange. So I have my orange here, and we're gonna go around just like this and color. And this is gonna be a little bit tricky because we have all those different type of shapes. Okay, let's color this part. Finish with these ones. We're gonna go to its face and color face, and we're gonna use yellow for the face. Look how our son is happy. It's cool, it's happy, and really goofy and funny. So let's color all around. Here as well. Cool. Now let's go to this side. And finish this one as well. And there we go. We have just this part to finish. And yeah, our sun is looking awesome already, but it's not finished. We have to color all the insides. And I'm gonna actually leave one part just like this. I'm gonna leave it white because I think it's gonna look more interesting. So we're gonna leave that part white and maybe let me see, maybe this part. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this part white as well. Okay, so let's color with this super bright yellow. Wow, I love this color. It's really warm and bright and happy. It's like happy color. Okay, then I'm gonna go down and color this part as well. Then I'm gonna go to this side. Okay, and let's color all around. Maybe you can color like this as well. And exercise your hand coloring. Okay, let's color this part. And then we're going to go here. And here. And the top part as well. And around eyebrows we go, and we are finishing. I touched a little bit of black here, but it's fine. It's looking nice. And actually I'm gonna color this one as well. I don't really like it when it stays like that. Cool, guys, and now we can use a little bit of blue and color around pupils to make it look more interesting, just like that. And there we go. It's beautiful, it's nice, it's funny, it's goofy and happy. And good work, friends, good work. And let's see what can we draw in the next lesson. Enjoy, exercise, and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.